Yo, good morning. Hold on real quick. Let's see. Let me get this tweeted and then we're ready to go. Good morning, everybody. How we all doing? Good morning. Jason, Cole, Dylan, Don, Jotty, Jamie. What's up, everybody? Yes, sir. So, and Larry, my man, you got the new bull icon next to you. It looks beautiful. No, if you don't enter my swings when I put them out, it's too late. It is too late if you don't enter within the same time period that I enter. I would say like give or take 30 minutes. So if I put it out at the end of the day and it's now a new day, there's no reason to enter. But yeah, so I wanted to hop on 5 minutes early and basically, explain why I even went into this stem swing. So I do have 5 of the $15 calls expiring this coming September expiration. And then I have 5 of the 17.5s expiring in October. Now, the whole reason behind this trade was if we start zooming out, we start on the monthly time frame. Monthly on balance volume is setting a new high, which is good. We're above the monthly moving averages, and we got that monthly stochastic buy signal last month. Now, if we go to the weekly time frame, the weekly looks good as well. We have a weekly slingshot squeeze that is releasing light blue momentum above the moving averages. We kind of have this little bull flag right here. Let's see, there. And we broke out of it this week. So again, multiple confirmations, new high on the on-balance volume. We can go to the 3-day. 3-day looks good. We're about to get a stochastic buy signal above the 80 line, which is a very strong buy signal. Good. And I'm looking for this on-balance volume to set a new high. So we have confirmations on monthly, weekly, 3-day. And then if we go to the daily, this is what I really like. On-balance volume is setting higher highs. As we can see, we're all the way up here. So we have more money inflow, or we pretty much have the same amount of money inflow that we did over here when stem was at the high, which is good. At the same time, we got the stochastic buy signal. In this scenario, we do have volume on the breakout. Buy signal, squeeze. Hold above moving averages, more than likely squeeze fires up. Now, can stem go against us? Of course it can. But in the past, this is my definition of a high probability A+ setup. That's why I swung it. And then from there, we just use basic risk management. If it hits our stop, we get out. So, that's the whole reason behind the stem. Hopefully, we can bag 100% off of that. And then, let me find the weekly watch list real quick. But yeah, how'd everybody do yesterday? 2 days in a row, I had some subpar days. Let me tell you, that's annoying. Where is this weekly watch list? Today's the 1st. Where is it? There it is. Cool. But yeah, honestly, I knew yesterday I should be looking for the downside, and I didn't even take puts. Again, that happened twice in a row. I knew Tuesday I should ideally be looking for puts, and I didn't even take them. So, it's a new day, whatever it is. We can run it up. Let's make more money today. Make up for these last 2 days. And then, let me get live on TikTok. Whoops. Let me get live on TikTok, and then we will start making the list. We do have job reports this morning, as always, on Tuesday. Again, if you guys could, make sure to click that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. We got 120 people in here, only 39 likes. So remember, 150 likes, that's when I drop the watch list. And in case you guys did not know, my new trading book, The New Age of Technical Analysis, is officially released on Amazon. So if you guys want to pick up a copy, there it is right there. Anyways, let's get live on TikTok. The only issue is I'm wearing shorts. I don't want these people staring at my legs. Ordering your book this Friday. Let's go. Anyways. Man. There we go. And we are live on the TikTok, baby. Let's do this. We will see. So let me get the... Where'd it go? There it is. Let's get the 1 hour, 4 hour, and let's look at SPY. Well, the tick doesn't move till the market opens. So I don't know how the tick's looking. 9:30, I'll tell you. Let's make this bigger. Bring this one down. How's everybody doing on the TikTok? How we doing over here? Hopefully everybody's doing good on the TikTok live. Buenos dias, mi amigo. Anyways. Let's see. Here's our high point. And here's the low point. I mean, yeah, kinda. I could see that. We'll keep an eye on it for sure. Let's see what happens with the job reports. Fix that trend line. There we go. Yeah, let's see. So, SPY. It's on the list. 4 hour falling wedge. Let's see if it can break out. If so, I will be looking for calls. Amazon. Good. How we all doing this morning, everybody? TikTok live, YouTube live. How we all doing? Let's see. Amazon, same thing actually. Except we did break below some bear flags yesterday, so keep that in mind. Amazon's got a lot more ground to cover. I mean, even Amazon, if it broke below, I'd be interested. Good morning. Good morning. Actually, Amazon... Yesterday's low. We're pretty close. Might look for a reject on Amazon. Let's see. Amazon. And then you just got the book. Let's go. Yeah, Nvidia got clapped. They it was something about China. I forget exactly what it was. But they like can't sell their chips in China anymore, something like that. Let's see. Microsoft, look for the break below 258.11, or what was yesterday's low? Could get a nice little reject. Or actually, no. This was yesterday's low. Which happens to be that 1 hour 21 EMA. So we kind of got close to it. I'll keep an eye on that level for a reject, but I will be watching both ways on Microsoft. So there's that. How we doing over here on TikTok? We got 148 people up in here. In case you guys did not know, I go live every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time, to give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. So that's what we're doing right now. What I'm doing, just finding what looks good, and then we'll do process of elimination, narrow it down to 3, maybe 4 stocks, and then we'll go from there. Nvidia actually looks like it's forming a 4-hour bear flag. So if we're looking at this, here's our possible flag. I'll look for the reject off of that 4-hour 8 EMA, which is at 148.34, or the break below pre-market low is 140. Cool. There's Nvidia. Keep that on watch. And then let's see, Oxy. I know oil's getting absolutely destroyed. So, don't really care about Oxy. And then our baby Tesla. Let's see. I see. Okay. All right. So Tesla, we do have that 1 hour trend line right here on Tesla. 270 is a big level because that is the, I believe it's the 100-day SMA. Hold on. Yes. So 100-day SMA, we have a nice little trend line right here. Maybe. Let's zoom out real quick. Yeah, maybe we can get another reject. Try both of these trend lines. Okay. Then yesterday's low, it looks like, yep, we're above yesterday's low. Possible reject 274.82. Or we just smack that trend line again. Or we break below pre-market lows. So, put Tesla on the list. Let's see. Do we have China IPOs today? BIAF. Let me tell you, those China IPOs have been going stupid. I don't even understand. I don't trade stuff like that. I just trade options. In blue chip companies, obviously you guys know that. But these IPOs, they're going insane. Let's see. Apple, same thing. Looks identical to SPY with that 4-hour falling wedge. Let's see. If this were to break out, that would be at around 157.94. So we would have to go with the in the money 157.5s if we were to trade Apple. Which isn't bad. If you guys want to watch it, you can. I probably won't. Let's see. Then we did not look at AMD. Let's see, AMD. Same thing. I'm seeing a lot of falling wedges. Boom. Let's see. Maybe the job reports make us pump and we start breaking above. If that's the case, we got a lot of stuff to watch. We looked at Amazon. Don't care about Boeing. Don't care about Baba, Coin, Costco, GME, Google. We'll get to Meta, don't you worry. It's on the list. CRWD, unfortunately, doesn't have much liquidity. So, can't really trade it. Google, don't really care about. That's insane. $5 to $1,100. Imagine just buying 10 shares. Crazy. Google. And then here's your Meta. And then real quick, in case you guys are in the YouTube live stream, haven't clicked that like button, make sure you guys do that. 154 people up in here, only 82 likes, running it up to 150 likes. That is when you guys will get the watch list. So make sure you guys are doing that. Let's see, Meta. Looks like it might have done a retracement. Yep, 50% retracement. Had a nice push yesterday. Let's look for that break above 164.58 on Meta. I do like that. Let's see. Markets are going to get crushed today. What makes you so sure of that? Let's see. I recommend using ThinkorSwim. Or if you're outside the United States, use Interactive Brokers. Cool. Let's see. That's crazy. There's a whole YouTube documentary on pretty much what happened with the China IPOs years ago. I think it's called like China Hustler or something like that. Dumpster actually recommended it. It's really good. Let's see, we got, yep, Microsoft's already on the list. Netflix, 4-hour squeeze. Still looking for that Netflix swing. Hopefully I can get that. We looked at Nvidia. Oxy don't care about. QQQ. Let's see. No, I watch both ways typically. I just take what the market gives me. Go from there. Let's see. I mean, I do like this QQQ if we can break out. Because we're pretty much sitting at the breakout point. So, let's see with that. Put QQQ on watch. And then Roku don't care about. Shopify don't care about. We looked at SPY, SQ. And we got Tesla. Cool. Now we got the job reports. So, what were they? Let's see how the market reacts. Pull up the S&P futures. And let me pull up the actual numbers for you guys. Let's see. Initial jobless claims, 232,000. Expectation, 248,000. Last was 237,000. Continuing claims 1.438 mil. Expectation 1.438 mil. Last was 1.1 or 1.412 mil. Cool. Then it's out right now. Yeah, all of this is real time. It's on ThinkorSwim. Let's see. Non-farm productivity, negative 4.1% versus negative 4.6. What else we got? Silver at 2-year lows. There we go. I think that's the data. I don't even know which China IPOs are coming out today, but I might actually watch them. Buy like 5 shares. The worst that can happen is it goes to 0. That's pretty much it. Cool. Well, let's give the market a couple minutes. The US dollar shooting up. Again, we talked about this yesterday. If the US dollar breaks above its highs, it's more than likely going to see 110.56. And guess what? If the US dollar goes up, the overall market is going to pull. So we got to keep an eye on this. I still have my long position on. I got long over here. So, I'm not worried whatsoever. I want to see if this thing can go into new highs. If it does, cool. But I would be very cautious on the long side of the market if that happens. Let's see. While we're sitting here waiting for the market to figure out what it wants to do based off the news, again, real quick, in case you guys did not know, my new trading book is officially on Amazon. So if you guys do want to pick up a copy of the New Age of Technical Analysis, make sure you guys do that. Everybody in the TikTok live, as you guys can see, 450 pages, New Age of Technical Analysis. If you want to learn more about my overall day trading and swing trading strategy, it is all in this book right here. So make sure you guys pick it up on Amazon. Let's see. Why aren't they filling? Like, why are they not filling the orders for the IPO? Does anybody know? Let's see. US dollar, how we doing? Oh, it's got a nice 4-hour squeeze. That squeeze looks ready to go. Cool. All right, let's narrow the list. Start with SPY. $30-minute squeeze on SPY. Would be interested to see if we crack below 391.82 for puts. Break above, let's see, the weekly pivot is at 395.35, which we pretty much hit in the pre-market. So if I were to be interested in calls, it would be above that level. But we are also sitting at that upper portion of the falling wedge. Of course, it could not break out and just reject. So I would say as of now, because SPY is getting drilled, I'd be very interested below 391.82 for puts. See if we can get that 30-minute squeeze to fire. And then Amazon. See what we got there. Amazon, it's sitting at it. So I don't know. We'll see with that one. Microsoft. SPY is definitely going on the list. Microsoft below 258.11. Looks very, very weak. This thing could drop even more, actually. We're below all the SMAs. Looks like we do have a trend line on the daily. And we broke below it. Okay. Or we are breaking below it. So below 258.11, very interested in Microsoft puts. Person's pivots say we could see 257.52. And then go to the 4-hour bingo. Find some other support areas for this. What is that? 257.03. Then we can really drop after that. There we go. Cool. I like Microsoft. We're going to put that one on the list. So SPY, like Microsoft, like Nvidia. Let's see. BIAF and WLDS. Are those IPOs, the China IPOs? Again, if you guys are in the YouTube live stream, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. We got 216 people in here, only 109 likes, running up to 150 likes if you guys do want the watch list. Anyways, Microsoft really like that trend line break. Honestly, I think this one can continue to drop if we break below pre-market lows. Nvidia 140.55. Oh, so we're at the lows on Nvidia. So honestly, if I were to trade Nvidia, I would only be looking to see what happens at the yearly low, if we even get down there. So actually, we hit it in the pre-market. So I don't know. Let's see. Nvidia might be interesting. Let's see if we break or bounce. So Nvidia, like Tesla. I see the falling wedge, but the higher time frames are really screaming bearish for everything. So we got to be careful about that. Let's see. Tesla. Possible reject. We'll see with that one. AMD. I think Meta was actually like one of my favorites today. Yeah, we're going to take AMD off. Let's go. Yes, sir. Let's see. Tesla. Keep that on there. Meta. All right, so Meta is one of my favorites. Meta actually looks super, super strong still. Look for the break above 164.58. And then, let's see, we have the 50-day SMA at 167.28. So we definitely want to pay attention to that. Bingo. Yes, ma'am. What do you mean? Get out of here. 164.58. Take it back to yesterday's high. It's got the room. Got a level right there. Nope. Cool. Let's do this. Above yesterday's high, it's really going to get going. But let's put Meta on the list now. I really like that for a possible continuation. Meta. Still holding super strong. In pre-market, looking for the break above 164.58 for calls. Price target equal 165.81, 167.28, and then 167.84. Above there has a lot more room. Bingo. ThinkorSwim is what I'm using. How we doing over here on TikTok? We got 2K likes on the TikTok. You guys are beating everybody on the YouTube live stream. We only got 132 over there. $ DXY. And yes, I use Person's pivots. Anyways, there is Meta. Let's take a look at QQQ. Just hopefully Meta doesn't break out. All right, so QQQ, same thing. Man, I really should have held those puts because that thing went all the way down to 295. Wow. Wow, I cannot believe that. In case you guys didn't know, I literally shorted QQQ pretty much at the dead top, up at like 328, 329. Bought the $300 puts expiring in January. Sold those things for 82, 83%. But man, I probably should have held them. Probably going to keep going down. Oh well. Made my money and dipped. Anyways. Yeah, I would say QQQ below 295.39 is what I would look for. So break below there or break above pre-market highs. Maybe a reject at 300. We'll see. Let's see. QQQ like. So now let's go back to Microsoft and Nvidia. Maybe TikTok thinks you're disgusting. You ever think of that? All right, so let's see. 261.5 would be a nice reject level for Microsoft. Boom. Yeah, you guys are getting showed up by people on TikTok. How's that feel? Guess you guys better like the video. Let's see. Microsoft breaking below daily trend line. Looking for a break below 258.11 for puts. Price target equal. Oh, my man John is in here. How you doing, John? I hope you're doing good. I missed you. I was waiting for you to join the live stream. I think me and Jadon really like you. We're going to get you in Team Bull. I'll pay for your monthly membership. How about that? Everybody say hi to John. Everybody in the YouTube live stream, everybody in the TikTok live stream, say hi to John. That's my man. Let's see. Break below 258.11 for puts. Price target equal. Can't see. 257.52. 257.52. 257.03. Everybody saying hi, John. 255.76. And then 254.61. 254.61. Or a reject at let's see, what are we looking for? 261.5. Cool. Johnny boy. Let's see. Thank you for the rose. I don't know what a rose does. If anybody's familiar with what roses do on TikTok, let me know, because I have no idea. Bro, this thing keeps popping up. I don't care. I don't want to restart my computer. Remind me again tomorrow. Anyways, there is Microsoft along with Meta. And then I think the other one was Nvidia that I really liked. Obviously, SPY and QQQ. Both of those look really good as well. And then again, real quick, for everybody that's new to the live streams, both TikTok and YouTube, in case you guys did not know, my new trading book is officially on Amazon. So if you guys want to learn more about my overall day trading and swing trading strategy in this 450-page book, make sure you guys go pick up your copy on Amazon today. We have that #1 spot on the new release. So again, the New Age of Technical Analysis on Amazon. Anyways, I'm really interested in Nvidia. If we crack and start breaking below the yearly low, this thing can definitely dump even more. Yeah, we done broke that trend line a while ago. Let's see what the person's pivots say. 140.35 is going to be a level we want to know about. 140.35. So that's only 20 cents of room. But if we start breaking below there, that what is that? 136.10 is going to be the next area. So that's definitely something we can watch. Ideally, I would like to see it bounce, but it's already bounced twice, or actually once in the pre-market. Makes it a little less probability, so we'll see. Maybe we actually do get a pump into yesterday's low. Ignore this misprint, but that would be nice too. So a few different things could happen with Nvidia. We put Microsoft on the list. How does Tesla look? Oh, I had no idea. I don't even get paid from TikTok. It's not even worth to get paid from TikTok. They pay like 2 cents for every 1,000 views you get or something like that. Maybe it's 4,000. I don't know. It's like not even worth it though. Let's see. Tesla squeeze fire. I'm not too interested in Tesla. We'll forget about that. Go back to SPY. So again, SPY with that 30-minute squeeze. I do really want to see what happens with that today. So that's going to be on my radar. We do have that 4-hour falling wedge. But of course, if we break below pre-market lows, this thing probably is going to continue to drop. So SPY, going to watch that. QQQ, same thing. 30-minute squeeze. Question is, which way do we fire? Do we fire down? Do we fire up? Again, falling wedge that we do want to pay attention to. And then we put Meta, we put Microsoft. We might put Nvidia. Let's see. Oh, 50 cents. Staying ahead of inflation. I'll take it. Yeah, let's look for a reject on Nvidia around like 150. That's what I'm going to look for. Like a 150 reject. Let's see. Nvidia sitting at yearly lows. Definitely interested to see how we react to this level. Looking for a possible reject at around 149.75 to 150. For puts, or a break below yearly lows for puts. If we bounce off the yearly lows, we'll look for calls. Market opens in 45 minutes. Get your mayo. Okay. Boom. There's Nvidia. Yeah, we gotta look at SQQQ. Let's look at it. Take a look at SQQQ. Had that 4-hour bull flag yesterday. Yup. Man, I saw it too. I called it out. Didn't even trade it. Disappointed. Oh well. Let's see. Is there one more possible stock we could trade? It would probably yeah, it's gonna be SPY and QQQ. So as far as what I'm liking today, yes, kind of pulling back. Dixie again, sitting at that yearly high, not breaking through. What I want to watch for the day is Meta has some strength. That the market gets some strength. This thing's gonna go. And then we had Microsoft for puts. Maybe some rejects. We'll see. Nvidia. And then, of course, we have our baby SPY. SPX. QQQ. And then we have our stem swing. Let's see how we do. Cool. So, do we have 150 likes on the YouTube yet? Yes, we do. There we go. That's what I like to see. How's everybody doing on the TikTok? 3K likes on TikTok. Man, they're really beating you over here on YouTube. Might have to just start live streaming on TikTok now. They're beating you guys with the likes. Anyway, so in case you guys didn't see yesterday's video, make sure you guys do watch that. I talk about how the US dollar is going to be the most important thing to watch right now. Because when the US dollar goes up, that is bad for stock equities. If it's bad for equities, that means the market pulls back. So when the US dollar is going up and it's sitting at the yearly high right now, if this thing cracks the yearly highs and that 4-hour squeeze fires, we are going to see 110.56 and then possibly 112.17. If that is the case, the market is going to pull very, very hard. And I wouldn't be surprised to see QQQ back at the yearly lows. So that's one thing to watch. Now, on the flip side, which this isn't really making sense to me, is if we look at the VIX. Every time the market's pulled like it just did, the VIX went crazy. But now the VIX really isn't doing anything. The market's pulled pretty hard these last 4 days, and the VIX hasn't done a thing. So that's just something to, keep in the back of your mind. Same thing with VXX. That hasn't done anything. It's actually gone down while the market's gone down as well. So VIX and VXX, one of them, or actually either the market is bluffing or the VIX is bluffing. So right now we got to be careful and see which one is bluffing. And then I think TLT kind of bounced. Actually, TLT broke down below another bear flag yesterday. We'll see. But yeah, some market internals to watch just to understand market direction. But since we did hit the 150 like goal and you guys actually ran it up to 170, one more time real quick, in case you guys want to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, get the trading book, join the Discord, whatever it is, anything that has to do with me. Here's the link right here. Specifically, if you guys want to trade live with me, there's a link. You can join the Discord. But let's give you guys a watch list. So remember, none of this is trading recommendations. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very, very risky where you can lose more than your initial investment. So as always, trade safe, trade smart, use proper risk management, and do your own due diligence. Hold on. Bang. So that is the watch list today. 1,000 point loss today. What do you mean? Man, John is still going on. John, DM me on Instagram. I'm going to get you in the Discord. Might even give you a channel. Call it John Rants. Let's see. And then, yeah, other than that, make sure you guys pick up the new trading book on Amazon. New Age of Technical Analysis. Bang, bang. 450 pages. In case you guys did not know. But yeah, I will be live tomorrow, 8:15 a.m. Eastern Time. As always, trade safe, trade smart. Everybody, take it easy.